Hola guys. I had told you about myself on the first blog. This again, and I told there will be an upload on the 10th of August, which is very important for parents. But again, this blog, is also very important because, as I said, I'm a travel enthusiast. I love traveling. I love visiting places. But during this time, even I suffered from Corona. So this video is basically one for both the people, one who have got Corona and survived, what needs to be done, and second, who have not got, to continue doing the good things that you're doing, and what I have mistakes I've done, I will just share it with you guys so that आप लोग वो mistake you guys don't do it. So if I look at what actually got me through Corona was I was always, during the entire period of lockdown, barring the first 2 months, that was March and April, I did one thing correct, that was I kept my fitness regime going. So my fitness regime was basically, no matter what time of the day it is, right, I have to ensure that I do my 40 minutes jog. So I ensured that at least I continued my fitness regime. So any sort of exercise is important. So I continued doing that. But what happened in this coming March, I contracted Corona. It was again just the beginning of the phase, just beginning where Corona was peaking. The second wave was peaking. Currently, the cases are very low. But again, we have to have the COVID appropriate behavior to ensure that it doesn't spread again. So this is one part. Keep your fitness regime on. Second, when I got Corona, the worst part what people do is actually they ignore. Okay, they ignore. उनको लगता है कि यार I will not get Corona will not happen to me. It is not like that. Okay, it will be a small flu-like symptoms that might happen to you, and you will pass it away. Oh, it's just flu. But do not get fooled by that. You have any symptoms, do not start self-treatment. What you need to do is, there is a doctor available, your family doctor. Go to your family doctor, ask for suggestion what needs to be done, and as he will advise, keep on following that. So second is always follow your doctor's advice, and if you have any symptoms, please consult your doctor online. That's two. After I got Corona, so what happened? I was feeling heavy in the chest. Again, listen to your body. So do not ignore what is happening to you. So I started feeling heavy in the chest. I was constantly in touch with my doctor. So my doctor advised me that why don't you do your CT lungs and everything. Again, no self medication. Asking doctor, taking the treatment. So I took my CT lung and I had a mild pneumonia. But then it should not scare you, because you need to keep on doing the good things. So if whatever the doctor will suggest, you keep on doing that. Okay, I will only tell you the good things, and I will not tell you to self-treat yourself. Follow what the treatment the doctor has ordered. Very, very important. Now, even after recovering from Corona, you have to be very careful, because you find people even after Corona, they get heart attacks. So we heard people getting some other related disease, because your body becomes weak. So listen to your body. Okay, like I had a problem, I'm still having a problem where my heart rate has increased. So if my heart rate has increased, one, I keep on monitoring. So that is how I came to know. I went again back to the doctor that my heart rate has increased, what I'm supposed to do. So I'm still on medication, but I've again regained my fitness. Now, one mistake what people do is, they feel that, okay, I have recovered, let me straight away get into my fitness regime. If you're a fitness enthusiast, we've come across people who are very fit, but they've got Corona, they again get into fitness, high grueling fitness regime, and they're met with heart attack. Start slow. So what I started doing while I was running 40 minutes, 50 minutes, I've started, running with 5 minutes. So take small steps. So I started running from 5 minutes. I've reached 20 minutes, and currently I'm running 40 minutes. I will show all the videos, which I've started running, and what all, constantly every day. So there's a 21-day, regime where you have to put yourself, ensuring that, you follow that. So I'm currently doing that, and I will keep on posting the videos, ensuring that you guys actually go ahead. If you have Corona, how to fight with it. If you have not got, very good, keep on with the COVID appropriate behavior. and we will keep on connecting on every day what is my fitness regime along with what is my travel plans, because again, yes, corona is there, everyone is is a part of this, we are in it together, and we will come out of it together, right? So cheers, I will keep on sharing my videos. Do like, subscribe and share. Hola, bye.